sta hier op VMworld, het jaarlijks congres van VMware. En naast heel veel nieuws van VMware staan er ook heel veel partners hier. Storage partners, security partners, netwerkpartners, datacenter partners, hyperconverged partners. En met een aantal van hen praten we waarom ze zo nauw samenwerken met VMware.
We're here to showcase our technology and also the rich ecosystem of alliance partners that we're working with to deliver solutions to the market. For us, it's all about the application. And so today, this week at VMworld, we will be showcasing our vSphere 6.5 integration, our vVol implementation, which we believe is the most graceful in the market. We will also be showcasing demonstrations from our alliance partners, Cisco, Blue Medora, Panzora, Commvault, and of course Veeam, the long anticipated Veeam integration.
And I find it's quite interesting what's going on with storage at the moment, because clearly with the cloud providers that are coming through, I think if you look at the traditional pyramid of consumers to enterprise, if I was setting up my own company as a small company, I wouldn't put an infrastructure of my own on the floor, I would use cloud services. So really and truly it's how storage providers fit within that triangle, so enterprise right down to the cloud. And I think with Nimble what we're doing is we've got a very unified platform that says that we can work with the cloud, and actually about 20% of our business is selling to service providers and cloud providers, so that we're ensuring that we've got both sides of that market. And then we're also ensuring that we've got an enterprise ready product. You have to differentiate. And you have to disruptive technology that will ensure that I think we're going to create or take a lot of market share in those enterprise, but also in the mid-tier, ensuring that we've also got a solution for the cloud providers as well.
ControlUp is basically an IT operation tools for usually we focus on VDI and workspace, so things like Citrix, XenApp, XenDesktop, VMware View, and obviously we integrate with the virtualization infrastructure with VMware ESX, as well as from the View, and that's why we're here in the show showing the tool for the VMware admins. Three things that ControlUp is doing unique: giving you total visibility on the entire compute stack, from your hypervisor into the guest OS, into the session, and to the process. One thing. Second, user experience, great metrics on log on duration, application load time, critical for end user computing, VDI. And third is what we call collective analytics. So all of the data that we collect is historically compared between the environment, and we give you a lot of metrics that you can tune and optimize your performance according to what other people are doing, obviously without interfering with the privacy, everything with anonymized metadata.
Big Switch Networks is actually one of the early high flyers of SDN coming out of Stanford University back in 2010, and basically we're one of the high flyers along with Nicira, which VMware ended up acquiring and is now NSX. So what we've done is actually created the ideal SDN underlay that NSX can ride on top of. You need a physical network for NSX to ride on top of, and so we have very nice automation and visibility that provides end-to-end visibility for NSX deployments, as well as really any VMware workload. One of the things that we've been partnering with is both VMware, as I mentioned, another use case there is vSAN as the hyperconverged kind of storage, but also a very deep partnership that we have with Dell. And so Dell Open Networking is an initiative that they kicked off 2 years ago that talks about disaggregating their physical network from their different types of network OSs. We're one of the flavors of OS that rides on top of Dell, and so Dell can actually position Big Cloud Fabric, which is our data center switching fabric, on top of their Dell Open Networking switches, and they can resell that solution. And as a result, we've had actually a very nice footprint in Europe through our partnership with Dell, as well as with VMware.